Here's how to create cards using Edigo. I'm just going to click on my Backgrounds tab here and just choose a background. Just scroll down. There's a lot of different options. We'll choose this one. And we'll go grab a grid right here. You'll notice that these two grids seem to be the same. One of them has dotted lines and the other one doesn't. So we'll choose the one with the dotted lines right here. Let's stretch it out to fit the image. Now you might wonder where your background disappeared to. We just need to change the transparency right here. There you go. You can also change the grid line color by clicking the color of your choice. A nice gray. So we will actually add some text now, but as you can see here, when I add the text, it doesn't look very nice. You can't see it very clearly. So maybe we'll just shelve that, come back to it later, and we will go grab a rectangle from the Shapes and Math section, stretch it out or resize it, change the color and the transparency so that we can see some of that nice background come through. And you just need to copy paste there just with the one click by clicking the copy word there. And again, there you go. So let's get back to adding some text in there. We'll just choose the first sample size, which we can change. And add word, center it. We'll choose the ABZ font and change the size just over here. Stretch it out. Let's change the color. There you go. We'll just copy that as well. Copy paste just with the one click. See how easy that is? There you go. And change also once you do the copy paste, if you change your mind. And you can duplicate this creation as well and modify it if needed. There you go. So once you're done, you just click download and you'll have a nice PDF.